KHARANG village, a hamlet situated in the MAWKYNREW subdivision of Meghalaya's East KHASI Hills district, is home to lush green hills, making it an ideal venue for various games and sports, traditional or otherwise, to take place. One such event that had attracted a huge crowd was the indigenous kart race that was organized on the 30th of April 2022 by the KHARANG Sports and Social Welfare Club and supported by the Sports and Youth Affairs Department. The first of its kind in the country, the KHASI Hills Challenge 1.0 wooden kart race had been organized as part of Meghalaya's celebration of 50 years of statehood and the club's 50th anniversary. It was interesting to see the traditional wooden carts being decorated and designed to suit the event. What was more interesting was the enthusiasm of participants who were all out to push their carts to the finish line. Winners were awarded cash prizes and certificates, while others were given a certificate each for their participation. Earlier during the morning, a mountain bike race for various categories had also been organized. In both events, individuals from East KHASI Hills, West KHASI Hills, East and West KHASI Hills and the Jaintia Hills had enthralled the crowd through their participation despite the strong winds and an intermittent spell of shower. Meghalaya Sports and Youth Affairs Minister Bantedor Lingdor, who flagged off the kart race, appreciated the club and their initiatives and pledged the government support in the upcoming KHASI Hills Challenge 2.0.
Nakaliang kejongang soban ai kublei ka Karang Sport Club sebala organize ya kani tingkat kejing trailang bat ka berbasno kani kadai ka kanong no kadai ka race ka ba nakaliang ka club kre kadai hadu por kadai jing ya rakhi ta kejing dak san pop nak club dengan so komen ba kani ka KHASI Hills Challenge 1.0 ka bang isdang menta ang ni po Karang bat kani kadai ka jing sedang bat na so komen mau ba niyo ban tolong yang kena jinakan. Ai kublai ya i sekretari jong club, presiden jong club, Karang Sport Club bertunjuk ya ki member ki badan lang, ki balai tresitom lang nakabenta ban penurlong ya kenika race. Di nakaliang kejonga ngaso ban ai kublai lang ya pi barok badan lang ni ki participant ki bawan nakeleng-keleng. Nama kenika first time in Ongno. First time this type of race this happened in a state. Kenika apa? Karang, kaba kani gelong ba haju por bangin penne pensa ban preserve ya identity ke jinglong terai jongi kum ginong song snong ko ke jela kabi bangis dang ya kani ka karrias kedai ke jing ya perkhat ban ke jing ai jingmut jong kat tukan ni ki riurang ba.
I'm here at KHARANG in MAWKYNREW district of East KHASI Hills. This is the venue where the first ever traditional kart race is being organized by the KHARANG Sports and Social Welfare Club. In the morning we had the cycling race and participants had come from all over the state. And currently we are, you can witness the kart race that is going on. Well, it's the first ever of its kind and it's an interesting race where you can see, traditional karts being used in the race. And again, participants have come from all across the state of Meghalaya, from the Jaintia Hills district, mostly from East KHASI Hills. And we hope that this will become an annual event that will be organized from year to year. In KHARANG, with camera person Edelbert Kanayor, this is Bethleen Dakar for Media Plus. Clocked at 4.33 minutes, Lady King College Shillong backed the inaugural KHASI Hills Challenge 1.0 Championship, beating rivals Shillong Momo Flavors at 5.1 minutes and Anne Margaret Bar Children's Village that was clocked at 5.4 minutes as they won the second and third positions in the corporate event of the wooden maiden kart race held at KHARANG. Tata Frank Motors team clocked 5.51 minutes, while AMB School team clocked 5.56 minutes and were placed in the 4th and 5th positions, followed by Shillong Press Club team, which clocked at 5.59 minutes, and Frank Yamaha team.
1, 2, 3.
women's open category, Proidamon and Badamon bagged the first positions. In the mountain bike challenge, ex-CO, Shillong Press Club's Kevin John Khalid won the first prize to complete the 26 kilometers trail at 1.52 hours, while Gilbertson Walang of South Khasi Hills District and Pinchngai Lingkhoi bagged the second and third prizes respectively. Mention may be made that Kevin Khalid, who hails from Longki Ingding of East and West Khasi Hills District, was sponsored by the Shillong Press Club for his races this year. To add more to the event, an entertainment program was also organized in the evening where both young and old danced to the songs performed by local youth and music by a local DJ.
Tengah kedai Kevin John Khalid, masak sedesa Longki Ingding, kedan Syarum Marang. Tenat das ni, banyak kan ya karena alam slip pa air kala air, serius mat kinas lah kan ya karena. Tengah aku belajar ya organizer wakila organize bahama, naduk ka atia, naduk ka bam air, semula biang. Kalau ketenang kalau pentut menenro tengi dang yo hewan pelang tas ni dah jengnak. Kalau participate mensam-senam kalau representnya Meghalaya nasional, pengakam job lah. Tu hadiah mengayo lekai ya gawe ka MTB Tawang, kalau ngpo Arunachal. Dan tu tengah ngarang participate dan hibat kitim jangan tentu ngawan bakat ar tu kan. Aku belajar mentai ya hinang sponsor yang apa Shillong Press Club lah pentit yang akan jadi kila ai ka bad distraction ni kila Arab sibun yang masuk men hi bangalale bah hiru entah kasi kapar ba kiwe ki nangnya sakilo ini praktis bah se kum ki ba simen ki ba de member Meghalaya Cycling Association sakinya praktis bah mah kini ki sekemat saya ingin laban represent hadin jaga India po Olimpik tu ada lagi praktis bah idan ka chance mah.
Shillong